decided this morning, as an ongoing project, I'm going to make another small raised bed, but I'm going to make it no dig, to see how that goes. And we're going to build it now, and then we'll leave it all through summer without planting anything in it, to see if any of these weeds can find their way through on the part of the year where things grow the most. And better still, this raised bed is not going to cost me any money because I'm using one of these, and they're called a pallet collar, and they just fold out because they're hinged, and they make a perfect raised bed because they're just the right height. So we're going to get this down somewhere on garden. We're not going to dig anything, we're not even going to bother cutting grass. So let's go and find somewhere to put it. So I've decided I'm going to put it on this grassed area just behind me, and as I said, I'm not going to bother cutting grass or anything. We'll just get it set up and just make sure we've got enough room to get the lawnmower around as well. Another good thing about these pallet collars is they've got like little metal legs on the bottom, so once I've positioned it I can just sink it into ground and it won't move. Now I'm going to add a layer of cardboard straight on top of that grass. Then we'll add a little bit of homemade compost, just enough to weight this cardboard down. And for now, that's all we're going to do. I'll let it settle down a bit and then we'll top it back up with some decent compost a little later in the week. So I think that's a little project that's worth trying, especially since everything was free so far. We used an old pallet collar, which sometimes companies will just give you. And the compost that we've used is one that I've made myself from green and brown materials, and I also mixed in a lot of chicken manure. and that's been left to stand for quite a few months. And that's all been placed on top of a layer of cardboard on grass that wasn't not only dug but not even cut. So we'll let that bed settle down a little bit, and then later on we'll fill it up with some more compost, and then we'll use it for an experiment for autumn sowing. And we'll see how it does. We'll see how much that cardboard prevents those weeds coming through, and how well plants are going to grow in that when they only have a certain depth for the roots. So that's my first no dig raised bed. I thought it was worth trying. We've set it all up, and now we just have to wait. So if you want to see what we do planting that in autumn, just hit that subscribe button and press that notifications bell, and we'll see you on next update. You all take care. Thank you.